Hello, everyone. On behalf of the over 2,000 employees and medical staff members of Grandview Health, thank you for sharing a few minutes of your time. To imagine all that has happened so far in 2020 is almost inconceivable. Virtually every aspect of our day-to-day existence has been challenged or changed, from our home and work life to how we bridge the distance between each other. As difficult as it's been, I think we've all grown a little closer as a result. In healthcare, there's been no other time in our history where we've undergone such monumental change so quickly. It has been challenging and required a level of resourcefulness, courage, teamwork, and dedication that is truly inspiring. For Grandview Health, the experience has been transformative, changing forever how we communicate, use technology, and adapt to deliver the safest, smartest, most convenient care possible.
Thank you for calling Grandview Health.
Throughout this outbreak, you had questions. We responded with a hotline staffed by our medical team to coordinate testing, answer questions about symptoms, and coordinate in-person care when necessary. This number will continue to be the only one you need to make an appointment for a doctor visit or to schedule a test at Grandview Health. Telemedicine is not new to Grandview, but we have implemented new ways to make it easier to access. Now, nearly all of Grandview's physicians in our primary care and specialty practices are available via telemedicine. When you visit us in person, your safety and the safety of our team will continue to be our priority. Enhanced precautions already include temperature screenings for our workforce and guests. Masks are and will continue to be necessary for anyone visiting Grandview Health for an appointment, test, or procedure. We've changed how we schedule visits, allowing more time between appointments in order to make it easier to social distance and for us to clean and sanitize between patients. Some of our services and practices have been paused for a little while until we knew that we could provide those services and run those practices in a safe way for all of us. Those services and practices will open again in a phased approach in accordance with all state and federal guidelines. Guest and visitor policies will continue to evolve, so please contact our call center or go to gvh.org for the most current information before you come. The past few months are a reminder of how important it is to take care of yourself. Stay on top of non-COVID related chronic conditions, and please remember to follow up with your health screenings. If you have an acute condition and need urgent or emergency care, we're fully equipped to care for you safely. Staying healthy is more important now than ever. Like a pebble in your shoe, do not let a small thing become a bigger issue and put your health at risk. We have a dedicated team of professionals who focus on doing everything in their power to make sure you are safe and well cared for when you choose Grandview Health. Whether you need emergency care, surgery, or a simple x-ray, we're here to provide the quality care you deserve right here in our community. I would like to tell you one more thing about how the Grandview team responded to this pandemic. Nothing that was asked of them was too hard. They adapted, they volunteered, retrained, they made every suggestion better. They went above and beyond every expectation, and they did it all and continue to do it all brilliantly. When we were all asked to stay home, they came here to our hospital, urgent care centers, practices, outpatient centers, and even to our homes to take care of us. And so many of you reached out to us at perhaps the worst time in your life. On behalf of all of us, thank you for your trust, support, and generosity. The donations of personal protective equipment, hand-sewn masks, food, and notes of encouragement mean so much to us. In the midst of all of this, Grandview launched a fundraising campaign, propelled in part by the generosity of a Percy 6-year-old and bolstered by a matching gift challenge from an anonymous donor, and over $60,000 was raised in about 2 weeks. That's the wonderful thing about our community hospital. You're here for us, and we're here for you. Stay safe and be well.